Welcome to Record Center. Today is another, beautiful day, beautiful weekend, and it's going to be a soccer because I'm going to give you undiluted video content about what drivers ignore most about car food level and system that lead them to, emergency expensive repairs. This is what we are going to do. So in this video, I'm going to show you everything about food levels, how to inspect it and how to change it to escape dangers and avoid expensive repairs. This is Eric Auto Center, Ghana's #1 automotive channel, and henceforth we guarantee allowing you an excellent motor experience. Let's start the video. So number one is engine oil. Engine oil is more important, so inspection interval is 5,000 to 10,000 kilometers depending on the type of oil you use, whether regular or synthetic engine oil that refer to you, and it requires to 3 months or 6 months regular interval. But note that engine oil deterioration cannot determine by looking. It is the amount of time driven or distance used. So those of you schedule maintenance for 6 months, 8 months, 3 months is not helping you. That is killing your engine, so you have to avoid it at all costs. Just set a reminder for the kilometers, which is helping you a lot. And most advanced cars has maintenance light. Once it's due, automatically it pop-ups, so it is very important to know that. And once you purchase an engine oil, make sure the engine oil is genuine. You know that counterfeit or degraded engine oil can destroy your engine. The more the quality, the better performance and long lasting. Number two, transmission oil. Transmission oil is more important. Help the transmission to cool because it is a friction and a metal to metal contact. So the purpose of transmission oil is cooling the transmission system component internally, and also avoid a metal to metal contact to friction and excessive wear. That is the main thing. Inspection interval is 40,000 to 80,000 kilometers depending on the type of car you use, which is more important. Those of you using old cars, you can change it 40,000 kilometers. For CVT transmission jabots, you don't need to change it anyhow. You have to see your service provider or your expert as a mechanic to check it for whether it is due to change or not. Failing to do that will also require failure transmission to purchase expensive transmission, which is not that way. So you have to look into your owner's manual all the time to know what to do and what not to do about transmission fluid. So it's not like changing it regularly. It's not like engine oil, so it can take you about 5 years, 4 years, and 6 years and above before you can change due to the kind of car you use. So let's also take note about that. Number three is engine coolant. Engine coolant protect the engine from getting overheating and cool the cooling system. It also prevents engine from rusting, moisturing, and protect all the mechanical components, internal and external. So it is more important. Inspection interval is 40 to 80,000 kilometers. That means can change it 2 years to 4 years and above depending on the type of car you use. By using an old version car, you have to change it every 20,000 to 40,000 kilometers. If you are using a brand new car, it's 40,000 to 80,000 kilometers and required for you to check and inspect it for better performance. This is what most drivers don't do, and they always attract expensive and emergency repair costs, which is not good. So this platform is here to educate you, guide you, and give you more insightful info. If my video is very helpful to you, please comment, like, share, and subscribe. Number four is the brake fluid. Brake fluid transfer force from the brake pedal to make the brake effective. So always you have to inspect it every servicing and change it 20,000 kilometers, which is 2 years to 5 years for the inspection interval. It's more important. Failing to do so can destroy your brake cylinder and the master cylinder kit. So let's move to the differential axle. The differential axle food also um protect the gears inside the differential as for last longer because it is metal to metal. Power steering fluid is more important, which lubricate the power steering to make it soft and easy for you to cruise whenever you are in motion. So you also have to change it, which take place about 40,000 to 80,000 kilometers. So it can take you more about 3 to 4 years and above, depending on the car. And most advanced cars, always use EPS, electronic power steering. So you don't need power steering motor. Cars from 1999 to 2010 require, most of them uses power steering fluid. So you have to also change it. Failing to do that and leaving it for a long time can destroy your power steering motor, can destroy your steering rack and other components. So that is why you keep changing steering rack, and you don't understand. You don't need to use it for a very long time. Most of you have been using it for 15 years, 10 years, 20 years, and you are unable to change it, which is it. And where there is friction, there is heat, and that is why it lubricates to protect it for long lasting. Then we have all-wheel drive, four-wheel drive case. The oil inside is also lubricated to drive smoothly, and that is what it is to check it every 40,000 to 80,000 kilometers, which is required for you to change, and failing to do that can also destroy it. It can cause you emergency repair and very expensive to purchase that. So this is what it is. We have wiper wash here. Wiper wash is there is no inspection interval for wiper wash. So what you do is to check it regularly and refill it when it's shorter. But make sure you have to use the wiper wash fluid. You can get it from the supermarket, filling stations, and other agro stores, which is very important. If you are using ordinary water, make sure you buy a tablet and put it inside to make sure it cleans the windshield from that small particles and dust for you to get clear visibility. This is what it does. Thank you for watching.